Tungsten alloy plates are often made using powder metallurgy technology. The tungsten alloy powder is heated, mixed, and pressed, followed by high-temperature sintering, repeated rolling, polishing, grinding, and wire cutting. It is very suitable for processing into various counterweights and high-temperature resistant parts. High-density tungsten alloy plates have the characteristics of high elastic modulus, small size, light weight, high hardness, good high-temperature resistance and wear resistance, good impact resistance, high tensile strength, high radiation absorption capacity, and long service life. It can be widely used in aerospace, medical equipment, electronic engineering, petrochemical, and other fields. High-density tungsten alloy plates are commonly used in the manufacture of heat-resistant equipment, such as high-temperature furnaces, heat treatment equipment, and aerospace engine components, nuclear energy equipment, electronic devices, and other mechanical parts.